kid with her singing ass. Let's get to the show.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Q, and today we have a couple of more product reviews. Let's get it! Let's get it, y'all. And we're back. So first we're gonna go with this box. This is actually, let me move my microphone a little bit. This is actually gonna be two product reviews that are gonna be done together, one and then the next, okay? But it's all gonna be in the same video. This is my new shower head, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take all the pieces out of here. And this is a really cool shower head because it's therapeutic. And look at that, with extension shower arm. So that's what it looks like. It's the Rainfall kind. And here's the different shower head, and it has different settings. I'm going to, as always, put the link in the description box below and the price, okay? In case you guys want to try it. And then we have the hose. And I'm going to show y'all how I connect it and everything, y'all. This is going to be what sticks to the wall. And that's, I'm believing, going to hold the arm of that shower curtain. Then there's a bunch of little washer things and stuff. Okay. All right. Oh, there's another one of those things. And this is, I guess, another adhesive to help to stick this onto. Hold on, let me get us focused. Another adhesive to help us get that on the wall. So, boom, 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 schwackety wackety. Some more washers, and this looks like the little dilly that's gonna turn on the water and this and that and this and that. Okay, cool. So now it's what is it? Mom the plumber or Plumber Q. You hear me? I'm gonna be a plumber today. Okay, ladies, pipes. You know what I'm. Okay, y'all, I'm being silly. I'm talking about the lead. Well, am I? Let me get the rest of these little stuff that fell in the sink out of here. Okay, now. And I'll be right back. And after, you know what? No, let's run it down. We'll do it. So y'all can see what all, because you know I love instructions, child. This ain't number one little sheet. So this should be simple, okay? Now here's all the inclusive parts I just showed y'all. The hand shower, shower head, metal hose, 3-way diverter. That's what this is. Flow regulator, 6 washers, shower head mount, told y'all. 4 hook Teflon tape, extension shower arm. And this how it looks. This is the instructions that they gave. Like, okay, connect the dots, basically. Connect it, okay? And then need to put the washer inside the shower arm. Note, missing the washer could leak. Okay, so I like how they had the little notes on here. And this has a 180-degree adjustability with the ring. Do not force the screw into the square shower head when you install, otherwise it will damage the thread of the shower head and cause leakage. Okay, so be gentle. Cleaning and maintenance. Okay. All right. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so the next time y'all see me, I'm going to be over at the shower and we'll get this installed. All right, y'all. Boop. So now, let's get it going. Now, and we got the Teflon tape on there as we should. So now I know what to do. Now that motherfucker on there is secure. Okay, now this. Okay, so boom. On there. Is it what? It's on there. Okay, so now our next part is to take the arm and the hose And that's the way it goes. Okay, so now we go. Screw the 3-way diverter. Boom. Okay, so now we're gonna attach it to the hose and the shower head. So first, we got the shower head, we got the hose. We got the shower head and we got the arm. This comes out of here. See, look, y'all, this comes out. They come out. Y'all can see that part. Now, this washer on the inside of the shower arm. Okay, I did that. This is supposed to be able to move. So there we go. Okay. Whew. All right, so now there's a release that goes there, and then I can put this in here. So now we gonna swirly whirl that all on there. And it's on there. It's on there. Okay, so now we got that. And then we put this back on there. And that keeps everything tight on here. See how we did that? See how we did that? Very good. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And so now I can turn this how I want to. Okay, wait. Tighten that over. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing for here. We're gonna loosen this up. This is gonna come off. This is gonna be able to now adjust, and we have the washer inside. And we're going to oh, tape go here too. Hold up. Tape go here too. Hold up. We got another one. We got another, and tape goes there as well. Oh, okay. Alright. Now, as we remember, pop it out. Oh, look, y'all, my finger's getting dirty like a plumber for real. I hope this is recording correctly. I really do. And they said do this about 4 to 6 times. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that is, tape is on there. Now we got the washer. Put it on, put it back. Put it on there and do your thing. Alright. Now that's on there. Is that on there or is it on there? To me, looks like it's on there. Now we add the other piece back here. At the other piece. And it's gonna tighten all of that up together. Okay, now then tie it on around. Bring it around again. You wanna make sure it's good and tight, but don't abuse the threads, okay? And you see how this can operate. This moves all around. It does different things, but we want it like this, and it's adjustable, so we want it like this. Is this motherfucker upside down? I believe we gotta go one more turn. Alright, we're gonna have it looking right by the time it's the end of the what the fuck I need to be doing. Okay, so that's on there. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing this right. And that's on there. Now we're gonna get this. Get this. This side. Take this out. Oh, this is, hold up. Why it look all crazy.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Sue.
You got it on? How'd you do that?
I've been just kind of tinkering and figuring this stuff out. There you go.
So those twisting are out the thing to like tie in it?
There you go.
I
Now
don't
we
like
got
things
it.
to turn on the time.
Okay, now it looks like how it's supposed to look.
Let me see.
Okay, so y'all see that? We got them up,
Ow.
and then it turns around
How did you even get this off?
like that. All right, so boom, got that. Please don't do that, baby, because I got this. It's a washer in here, and I don't want to drop it.
Yeah, I was like, how'd you get off? I like this one better
Wait.
though. I like this one better because like it's smaller and like it's shorter.
Excuse me, Mama.
Do not have so much in it.
Get that in there. Then tape, but no more tape. Okay, so this goes here now.
I'm the shower went over here.
Man, I'm so happy. I'm gonna. I can't wait for the next part, child.
I like this one though. I like this one.
To put my, what's the name?
I like this one because that it's
Okay.
actually smaller.
So hose is attached. Boom. Now we attach our. Uh-oh, can you hand me that washer that fell down there, Tom?
You gotta see that.
Tom, look, right here, nuh-uh. Right here, it's a little black circle thing.
Yeah, you kind of a little bit. You did that circle thing over there. You kind of see it.
Girl, it fell out the thing. Okay, then I need the other circular thingy. What's it? No, the one is that one. No, it's a bigger one. It's a metal one.
I was like thinking that passed me over.
Yeah. It's a circular. There it is. Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, now
These are so cute.
is there a washer? There's washers and all of these.
This is
okay.
cute actually. I like the blue color of it though.
Yeah, that's a film to protect it, so that's gonna come off.
I'm showering though. Give me a chance.
Yeah.
Mom, have you
What's on
ever?
in?
Mom, have you ever seen in a shower?
Absolutely, you know I said.
I've done that a million times. Like, have you ever just
I
like
need
seen?
this now.
Like, have you
Now we're
ever
attaching,
just seen
got
like
that
weird
attached.
songs? You're like,
Now we're gonna attach this.
This looks really easy though.
Yeah, it's not hard once you know.
Well, now it looks easy now when I came in here.
Nah. Look at you, right? Well, yeah, two heads are definitely better than one sometimes. Thank you. Okay, so
I need for more support, cause
boom. Now hold this. Okay, so we got the shower head.
I'm taking a
And y'all
shower.
see it has a different, very easy functionality.
I
to
like
change.
this one better because it's smaller.
Well, I like this one better because it's new and it's gonna work properly.
Mom, look at my mommy. I'm showering because.
And I love this feature. I can't wait to get in here and just.
Mom, but your head is still taller in it though.
No. That thing right there, and if I need to, I can adjust it to make it go up a little bit higher.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
I'm under here.
That's good.
This is perfect for me. So what was the hooks for?
I don't know.
4 shower hooks in Teflon. What's the name?
This is not 4.
But
Oh,
this
never mind.
one goes here. Excuse me.
Never mind. That
This
was
big
4.
one. This big one goes. I'm gonna put it
Oh, yeah, I was
on
wrong.
the left
This one.
side, cause then the water can inside here. Oh,
You're like, oh.
cause it holds right here. It don't hold all the way up there. It holds like that.
Oh.
But should it be
I don't know.
this way? Now you just see it work that way. So why is you trying to change it? You see it work that way. Okay, so now.
Mom, you're funny. You know that, right?
Well, thank you. Now lay it flat. And
Yeah,
still black.
Black slap, cap, Uncle Black slap, cap.
Put it on there and straight just like that. Make it look like a professional did it. And you know it's cool because you know that I'm with it. Hey, wow. Da. Got it. Let's stop. Excuse me, Mama. Watch out. Can you close the toilet and flush it, please? Okay, so now the water on. Let's see.
I'm scared.
Did it work? It works! So now let's see about.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's raining.
I'm scared. You touch it. You touch it.
Look how cool
You touch
it
it.
is. Do y'all
Mom,
see
touch
it?
it.
That's my shower.
I touched it.
I'm so happy.
It feels so nice. That's so good water.
Yes. And all the water is actually coming out. So now let's try
every single last one.
that shower. And let's try the
so
different.
good too.
So those are the different. Oh yeah.
That scared the GB.
We got some power.
I like this one better. Stop. I'm scared.
And then that was really kind of like a soft one.
Yeah, I'll probably use this one. You know me. I'll probably use the softest one.
Okay, good.
This is so nice. Mom, touch it. Support.
This detaches, which I like. That is cool. Charlotte, you can go ahead and go. I need to clean this up now. Thank you for helping mommy. Thank you. You are bomb.com. Appreciate you.
Mama.
Okay, so now this part. And this can help because I like to use my shower head to clean the tub sometimes. So get all my stuff in there. Yes. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna show y'all this part, and I'm very excited about this. So y'all, if y'all didn't know, I have real issues with allergy, asthma, stuff like that. Not the asthma so much. My asthma my asthma can get really bad, but it's been controlled. So that's the good thing. Especially after I quit smoking, I stopped having a whole lot of issues with that. But
nice and cute.
this is fresh lavender. This is lavender, and I'm gonna hang it in my shower. And so I felt it would be fitting to do these two videos at the same time because they're gonna be working together. So now I have my lavender, and this one I'm super excited about is fresh eucalyptus. Now these are dried, and I'm gonna have to use a tool to roll over these to release the smell. But even without doing that so far, I can smell this from where I'm sitting. You wanna smell it? Oh. So we're gonna hang this up in the shower, and it's gonna be beautiful. So now this is, I think these are the roots and stuff, so I'm not going to mess with that at all. I'm not gonna mess with that. But I'm gonna see if there's any kind of instructions or directions in here, and then we're gonna see what's what. Oh, and I love this. Look at that. Self-care shower. That's what it's all about, ain't it? Self-care shower, because you can't take care of nobody else if you don't take care of who?
Ooh, that smells so good.
First. Okay.
Mom, if you
So
take
now,
one of these and smell them, it smells so good.
Oh, it is. It is.
Yeah.
And I want to keep. I'm keeping all of this actually.
Yeah.
All
I
these
use
little.
it for me.
Cause hold on, wait a minute. Let me show. Inside the box, a lot of the little petals of lavender came off. These are getting kept.
I like this.
I'm keeping these because I'm quite sure that I could steep these in some grapeseed oil. You know what I'm saying? And that can make like a really beautiful essential oil that's just pure lavender. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Oh, y'all should smell this hand. Oh, it smells. I'm not exaggerating. Lavender just really, it's a vibe.
God, well, when you put it in your hand, then you smell your
And you
hands
smell your
after.
hand.
That's so good. I
Okay.
can't wait to put that in the bathroom.
Now here, take that in there, baby. Take this box for me. Away from me. Thank you. Okay. So now it says, allow the steam from the shower to release the fresh aroma. Okay, so we have some instructions, and y'all know how I am about instructions. It's always good to have instructions. Let's pull these over here so y'all can see them. Oh, glorious.
Mom,
So
you're
now-
doing really good. You know that, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, I really want to tell you that yet. Like, you're doing really good. And you're making really good stuff out of it. You know it.
So sweet. Okay, it says lay eucalyptus out and gently roll over it with a wine bottle to release the scent.
Okay.
Skip this with dry bundles. Make sure to protect surfaces. This can be messy. Okay, so this is dry, and I'm not gonna do the wine bottle roll on here.
Okay.
We're just gonna attach it. These both, because when I first got it, it wasn't dry though. But the problem was I had to wait in order to get my old shower head removed before I could put the new shower head on there, and before I could utilize my beautiful eucalyptus and lavender here. Look at that. That's just gorgeous.
What creature are you gonna do?
This is just gorgeous. I'm really happy with this purchase.
Me too.
And of course, the link and the price for this will be in the description box below. All right, so let's get back into the bathroom and we're gonna hang this up in the shower. I'm gonna show y'all how that looks.
This
all
is
right.
so cute.
You mean these? Why do I feel like I should have maybe attached this before
Yeah.
I put the shower head on?
I don't know, but I feel like the same way.
Why do I feel like that would have just saved me
all that time? Bye.
Bye bye. Love you too. Okay, we might still can walk off with some of my sanity. It's on there. It is on there. If it's a little blurry, I'm still putting these videos out because shit, I worked hard, goddamn it. Now, it's in there. It's in there. It's in there. I'm happy. Okay, man. I'm finna go ahead and clean this tub. And then I'm finna sit that ass in some water. Hey! Sit that ass in some water. Hey! Sit that ass in some water. Water. You know I'm about to sit this ass in some water. Oh yeah, sit that ass in some water. Hey! Sit that ass in some water. Water, water, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye, y'all. All the time we say goodbye to all our YouTube friends, family. We love you all the way to the end. Thank you for watching this video. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell too. What it do? I'll see y'all next time. Period. I love you.